Hello, today's video I just would like to talk about my video gear stuff. As I mentioned in my video last time that I bought GoPro last year, basically in May 2022, and now it's completely dead. I went to 5 different shops in Vietnam and they won't fix mine, and one shop accept to fix it, and I leave it probably nearly 2-3 weeks, and he sent me back because he said he cannot fix it. There we go. I probably cannot use anymore for GoPro. I probably throw away. That's why today I would like to talk about my new camera that my wife did early surprise for the Christmas time. So she bought me this one. Tan tan tan. The first glance I thought it's big camera. See that? And another glance, oh, drone. Oh my goodness, she bought me a drone. But actually, DJI Osmo Action 4 from this shop called DJI by Video Vietnam, basically in Hanoi, we bought here. In fact, the price here is cheaper in US and UK. So we decided to buy it because my Insta360 X3 is temporarily dead now from the water damage, and hopefully get fixed soon. Let's see what inside here and what this is. The price that we bought is come with the free SD card 64 GB. It is great. Thank you for the shop. It's free. So this is free as well. It's very good for the price. On the internet, the price for the Action 4 on Amazon in US is nearly $500. It's $499. I would say $500. And here is when we convert all the dong to dollars, it's around $482. I would say it's cheaper. Of course, it's great, you know, it got the free thing, free bag, and free SD card. I think it's good bag. What in here? No, there we go. It's very good. See that bag, and we'll see what inside here in the box. This must be camera itself. This one I assume is batteries, and it comes with the selfie stick. How cool it is! Can extend it. Oh, it can extend. There we go. It's like a meter, more than a meter. Like, wow, cool. And also in here is camera itself. There we go. DJI Osmo Action 4. Can't wait to use here. The case and screw. And we'll see in this box is probably, I assume, is USB Type-C. Yeah, this is the box of battery case. I assume in here is 3 battery as an extra, which is great because this battery case is very useful whenever you film, especially the small camera like this. I used to use GoPro 5 and 6. I did use that until I got GoPro 10 and it's still dead. I'm happy with GoPro 6 though, it's very good. Yeah, they got 3 battery in here, that's good. Many people seems have positive feedback about DJI Action 4, much easier to use, and also that you can use with other product as well. It's easy, like for example microphone, like you can put the USB type of microphone, which is different with the GoPro, and you have to buy the extra accessory like this Apple, like you have to buy extra thing, as that extra thing is very expensive. I just don't know why people still bother to buy GoPro product. For me, bye GoPro. I probably will stick with DJI, or I will stick my Insta360. We'll see. Yeah, that is all my unbox of DJI that I bought. My wife bought it. Thank you so much for my early Christmas gift. For this one, I love it, and I will use it carefully from now on. Promise. Hopefully it's not broke quicker, but at least I have the warranty from the shop is 12 months, and the good thing is we living in Hanoi, so we are staying here, so it's good. It has problem in 1 year, then the shop in Hanoi, go back to them, it's easy. Right, this is I just would like to taste the DJI Action 4. So I don't know where to test. I just bring to the climbing gym, so I test that border. The music's very loud. I'm not sure it's pick up my sound well or it just pick up my microphone. I just would like to test my wireless mice, which is I record from DJI Osmo Action 4 used by USB-C type microphone and my wireless mice microphone. So let's see, I'll try again.
Und das ist better